Hey guys, today we'll be talking about promise. So, what is a promise? Promise is an object that will return a value in the future. Just think of it as a Korean oppa telling his girl that he will buy her a ring tomorrow. He cannot buy her the ring now because he does not have the money, but he will work super hard and get paid tomorrow so he can buy her the ring. So, why do we need promise? We need promise in JavaScript because it is a single-threaded language. Therefore, we cannot afford to wait for synchronous code to return value. Just like the girl cannot only wait on her oppa to buy her the ring. She can date other guys at the same time. So, promise is used to handle asynchronous operations in JavaScript. Let's start by creating a promise. Cons oppa promise equal to use the promise constructor, which will take in a function. And this function will have two arguments. One is the resolve function. The second one is the reject function. So before we were saying this oppa does not have any money, so let's create a variable called has money, which will equal to false since he does not have money. And then let's create a set timeout function. So which will take in a callback function and the time is 1 second. Let's pretend this 1 second is tomorrow. When this 1 second has passed, which is tomorrow has finally arrived, the oppa will have money. So let's set it to true. And if has money, then this promise can be fulfilled. He will have the money, so he can buy the ring. So let's resolve this function and pass in buy the ring. Yay, he can buy the ring for his girl. Else, however, if he does not have the money, that means he cannot keep his promise. So we will have to reject this promise. So we pass in break up. Too bad you cannot keep your promise. I'm gonna break up with you. Yep. So we just created a promise. Just like the real world, there's two directions this promise can go. One is that this promise has been fulfilled. The second direction is you cannot keep this promise. So promise will have two methods. One is the data method. Oppa promise data. It will take a function. And this function will have an argument which take in a data and console log the data. So this data will come from the argument passing here from the resolve function. As you can see, buy the ring will be returned. So data is used when the promise has been fulfilled, when the oppa keep his promise and bought the ring for the girl. And then there is like a second method called the catch, which also take in a function. So it will also have a function with a data being passed in from the reject function, which is break up. So if I change this has money to false, that means this promise cannot be fulfilled. And this reject function will trigger. And then this .catch method will trigger. and then you will see this breakup. Oh, he cannot keep his promise, so they will have to break up. So, in conclusion, promise in JavaScript is to handle asynchronous operation. It is an object with .then and .catch method, which means when the promise has been fulfilled, it will trigger the .then method. If the promise has been rejected, it will trigger the .catch method. Hope you guys have better understanding of promise. See you guys next time.